In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail password issue in Outlook. If Outlook keeps asking for your Gmail password or fails to connect, it's usually because Google now requires secure sign-in and IMAP access. We'll fix that by enabling IMAP in Gmail, turning on two-step verification, removing the old Outlook profile, and adding the account back with the correct settings. First, enable IMAP in Gmail so Outlook can sync your mail. Open Gmail in a web browser, click the gear icon, and select See All Settings. Go to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. Under IMAP Access, choose Enable IMAP, then scroll down and save changes. This allows Outlook to communicate with Gmail using the modern IMAP protocol instead of older, blocked methods. Next, activate two-step verification for your Google account to satisfy Google's security requirements. Visit myaccount.google.com, open the Security section, and under How you sign into Google, turn on two-step verification. Follow the prompts to verify with a code on your phone and confirm activation. After this is on, Google supports something called an app password, a one-time 16-character code designed for apps like Outlook that don't use web-based sign-in. Now, remove the old Gmail profile in Outlook to clear any cached, corrupted credentials. Open Outlook and go to File, then Account Settings, and Account Settings again. Select your Gmail account, choose Remove, and confirm. Don't worry, this only removes the profile from Outlook. Your emails remain safe in Gmail. Finally, add the account back with IMAP and your app password. In Outlook, go to File and select Add Account. Enter your Gmail address. If Outlook offers a simple sign-in, choose Advanced Setup or Manual Configuration so you can specify IMAP. Set the incoming mail server to imap.gmail.com with port 993 and SSL/TLS encryption. When asked for a password, use your Google app password, not your regular Google password. If you're prompted to grant permissions, allow them so Outlook can access your mail. Finish the setup and let Outlook test the connection. You should see a successful sign-in and your folders begin to sync. That's it. Your Gmail should now work in Outlook without password errors. Thanks for watching.